Hey everybody, welcome back to the CT70 build series. If you guys have been following along, we just came back 1,100 miles from having this thing painted, and I've allowed a few months for this thing to set up and cure so we can avoid scratches and chips on the reassembly. But I finally got enough parts that I feel like we could kick off this build series. So let me get this stuff organized and we're gonna dive right into it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Alright everybody, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I did get as far as I could possibly get with rebuilding this frame and still have a whole box of parts left to go and a few left that needs to be purchased. But I hit that roadblock of still needing to send these parts off for powder coat and wait for them to come back. But to keep things rolling smoothly, next up in the series we're going to be doing the tear down and rebuilding of the engine. And I really hope you guys are liking all the videos. So do me a favor, go down below, hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And until next time, you guys stay safe, wear your helmets, and I'll see you in the next video.